Hello and welcome back. I am Mr. Keene. I am teaching chemistry honors and earth space science this year. My room is in 156A, which is near the cafeteria. Materials you will be needing are notebook and pencil and some sort of cellular device or laptop computer, because most, if not all, of my work this year will be electronically given and electronically received via file submissions. So there's a new program we're using called Canvas, and I'm looking forward to presenting all of our interesting chemistry and earth space science lessons on that venue. I'm expecting you guys and girls to enjoy learning this new information. It's very interesting. Teaching you about the world that you live in. So, both from a chemical perspective and from earth science, earth space science. And I'm looking forward to a great year, whether we do it electronically, whether we do it in person, or whether we do it both ways, which it looks like what's going to happen. So, looking forward to a good year. Hope to see you soon.